So, a YouTube creator is making this really bold claim. They say they've found the perfect free VPN for 2025. We're talking no ads, no data caps, you don't even have to log in. It just sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, today we're going to break down the recommendation, see exactly what's being promised, and how they say it all works. Let's get into it. And yeah, they come right out of the gate with this. The YouTube channel Sajid Technology isn't just saying it's a good VPN. They are calling it the best, most excellent VPN of 2025. I mean, that's a huge statement to make. It's definitely designed to make you stop and think, okay, what could a free series possibly be doing to earn that kind of title? And this is why they're so confident. This is the core of their pitch. The creator just ticks off this dream list for anyone who's ever used a VPN. Think about it. No logins, so you're not handing over any personal info. Zero ads popping up, unlimited data, which is a big one. And on top of all that, a fast network. Getting just one of those is rare for a free VPN. Promising all four is what makes this recommendation so wild. So what's the magic app behind all this? The tool at the center of this glowing review is called Flu VPN. Apparently, this is the key that unlocks all those amazing promises. So let's dig in and see what the creator actually shows us about how it works. One of the first practical things the creator points out is its file size. It's only about 10 to 12 megabytes, so it's a really small, quick download. This little detail just fits right in with the whole theme here, making everything as easy and hassle-free as possible. Okay, so hearing about all these great features is one thing, but how easy is it to actually get up and running? Well, the creator walks everyone through it with a super simple tutorial, so let's go through the exact steps they show for getting connected. First up, installation. And honestly, the process shown is about as straightforward as it gets. You just go to the Play Store, type in Flu VPN, and hit install. The creator makes it really clear. No confusing websites, no complicated manual setups, just a simple, direct download. All right, so once it's installed, getting online is also just a few taps. You open the app, accept the usual policies, and then you see a list of servers. The creator shows how you can refresh that list, and then he picks a server. In his demo, it's the United Kingdom, and then you just click one big button to connect. The whole thing is designed to look incredibly quick and user-friendly.
Okay, so it's easy to install and easy to connect. But the real question, the one we all want to know is, does it actually work? So now we get to the part where the creator tries to prove that the VPN is not only active, but also fast.
So here's the main test. The creator goes to a website that checks his IP address location. Before he connects, it obviously shows his real country, but after connecting to that UK server on Flume VPN, the site refreshes and boom, it shows he's now browsing from the United Kingdom. This is presented as clear, simple proof that the VPN is doing its job and masking his location. But it's not just about changing your location, right? It's got to be fast. And as he's browsing, the creator gets pretty excited and exclaims, "Look how fast the websites are opening." So this isn't just some dry technical demo. He's really trying to show his audience that the connection isn't just working, it's working well with no noticeable slowdown. So when you add it all up, the picture he's painting is one of a totally seamless experience. He claims you can expect really high speeds, no lag, that it works great with all your popular apps and gives you totally unrestricted browsing. These are the big performance benefits being promised. All right, so to wrap it all up, the creator brings everything home with his final pitch, where he gives his final verdict and tells his viewers exactly what he wants them to do. In the end, he doesn't hesitate. He confidently calls Flu VPN a best VPN, and then he turns it over to his community, asking everyone watching to download and install it for themselves. He specifically tells them to use it and then come back to the comments to share their own experiences. So, we've walked through this whole enthusiastic recommendation, from the incredible promises to the simple demo. But it really all boils down to one critical question, doesn't it? When a service is totally free, offers unlimited data, and has no ads to make money, what is the real price you're paying? You know the old saying, if you're not paying for the product, you are the product. Definitely something to think about.